The full details of the highly anticipated Honor robot phone has been leaked, and I'll share the specs with you guys in this video, but please take these specs with a pinch of salt because they may not be entirely correct. So without further ado, let's dive into it. According to the details, the device is expected to pack a 6.3-inch flat LTPO OLED display with a 1216 by 2640 resolution, a massive 6800 nits peak brightness, and an anti-reflective coating for better outdoor visibility. Powering the device is Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 paired with either 12GB RAM and 512GB storage or 16 gigs of RAM and 1TB storage. Battery life is also one of its biggest strengths thanks to a huge 7060 mAh battery with blazing fast 120 watts wire charging. Honor is also adding 3 custom chips: the C1 for signal enhancement, the E2 for power management, and the H1 imaging chip that works with Honor's new AI-powered imaging system. Now, in the camera department, the device is expected to feature a 200MP main sensor with f1.6 aperture with a robotic 4DOF gimbal system. In case you're wondering what DOF means or 4DOF means, it actually means the robotic camera on the Honor robot phone can move in 4 different ways, allowing it to physically track subjects and stabilize footage more effectively than a traditional smartphone camera. Alongside a 200MP periscope telephoto camera with up to 2.7 times optical zoom, reports also points to a 50MP ultra-wide angle lens, creating the triple camera flagship setup. On the software side, the phone is expected to run Android 16 with MagicOS 10, bringing Honor's latest AI features. Now, what really separates this device from every other smartphone is the robotic camera mechanism. The camera can physically move, automatically track subjects, stabilize footage, follow users during video calls, and even perform interactive movements like nodding, reacting, and dancing to music. Honor is positioning it as a new category of AI-powered smartphone rather than just another flagship. Now, as for pricing, Honor hasn't confirmed it yet, but industry estimates suggest a starting price around $1,400 for the 12GB RAM and 512GB model, and about $1,550 plus for the top tier 16GB RAM and 1TB version, making it one of Honor's most expensive smartphones ever and also one of the most expensive smartphones ever made. Anyway, these are the top features of the upcoming Honor robot phone. If I get more details about the device, maybe if there's any other detail that needs to be talked about, I will definitely share with you guys. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.